Hello, my name is Joe Nicasio. I'm the department chair at Westmoreland County Community College for the accounting program. We have a 2-year accounting degree, and we also have two certificates in accounting that you can be done completed in basically 9 months. One is general accounting. That would be kind of certificate you want to get if you want to get an entry level job, maybe as a bank teller at a bank or doing basic bookkeeping, accounts payable, or accounts receivable clerk. We also have another certificate that specializes in computerized software and taxes. And that one there would be if you would like to prepare taxes, it would teach you basically individual and corporate taxation. You also learn QuickBooks. The 2-year degree will basically allow you to get an entry level bookkeeping job, account manager job, various type of jobs that we mentioned before, accounts payable, accounts receivable, also depreciation clerk, uh, positions like that. If you're curious about pay, based on the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average pay for a person with a 2-year degree is 35,000. Our students have been doing very well. I just received a very nice email from a student that she just got a job with the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation, and she's very happy with the work that she did at the college and the outcome. And this is something I hear fairly often. Students will email me, let me know how they're doing, and basically glad they did what they did at the college. Other things dealing with the college is our program. If you compared it to the past, I've been at the college for 18 years. It used to be very book driven. You read the book, the teacher lectures, and basically you just give the information back to them. It's very active learning now, activity based. You will learn how to use softwares. You will be taught how to use QuickBooks. It's the number one small business accounting software in America. You will also learn Tax Act. It's in the top three tax softwares being used. And you also become very proficient at using Microsoft Excel and Access, which are, if you look at the one ads, you'll see those softwares being mentioned a lot. And so you will not just learn how to use the software, but you will learn it in a business setting. So that when you get into a job, you can look at what they're doing. And basically, in most cases, from what students have been telling me, they'll actually make the job better by computerizing it using software instead of using paper and pencil and a calculator. That they're using the software to come up with better decisions because one, it's more accurate, it's more detailed, and you can do a lot of what if scenarios. So overall, we have a very good program at the college. It has more accounting courses than a lot of the local 4-year colleges have in their accounting programs. And our results have been fairly good. And be nice if you could talk to some past students. And if you are interested, I can try to arrange that. The other thing is, if you want more information, please email me. My email address is nicassiojo at westmoreland.edu. That's NICASSIOJO at westmoreland.edu. Just one more time, nicassiojo at westmoreland.edu. That's NICASSIOJO at westmoreland.edu. Thank you for your time and consideration.